You probably won't find this kind of stuff laying around home, but you'll find something else. So it's just a screen with a rubber grommet and of course the electrical tape holding it on. So that's your bottom ventilation. You always want to have a stick in the swarm bucket for the bees to climb on, because they will compact down in there if they don't have something to climb on, and they will suffocate themselves in spite of the ventilation.
So this
So
was
they
a,
need something to climb on, something that they can get a good grip on.
this looks like it was fabricated out of 2 pieces.
I had to make it bigger.
Okay.
Because this one wasn't big enough. So this is to add more bees, because I've had this full.
And this
that-
was an old bucket?
This was another mistake bucket.
And here's the cork that you said, don't lose the cork.
Don't lose the cork.
And then of
show 'em the
course,
top, cut the bottom, the
Ventilation.
bottom, which turns into the top.
so air goes in here and comes out the top.
Yes.
And then after the bees are, as seen on TV, the bees
you
will
just-
crawl in the hole.
Put it on as even as possible.
And then for the,
You wait for a couple hours? No.
yeah,
With the cork out, and then when you're ready to move them. And of course, the handle doesn't work. The handle will not work with that, so you have to put on
well, you would want to trust the handle with
something
2,000 bees.
so you can carry them. This is...
All
That's
right,
it.
keep it.